Hi, my name is Mr. John. Welcome to my study room. Today we are solving question 25 of Wassce 2022 paper, and it reads: in the diagram, angle WZY and angle WYX are right angles. Find the perimeter of WXYZ. Right. We need to take notice of the key information given there. First of all, the question is just asking us to find the perimeter of this figure here, WXYZ. And perimeter simply means the total length around the whole figure here. So we're finding the length, this length plus this length plus this length plus this length. But as we can see, three sides of the figure has been given to us except WX. That is when we have to get back to check the extra information given us. And part of the extra information given us is that angle WZY is a right angle and angle WYX is also a right angle, and they've been clearly indicated. So let's start from the very first one. If this is a right angle, then mean that triangle WZY is a right triangle. And if two sides of a right triangle are given without any angle, how do we find a third side? Right, I'm sure you are saying the Pythagoras theorem or the Pythagorean theorem. That theorem says that the square of the hypotenuse of a right triangle is the same as or is equal to the sum of squares of the other two sides. And what is the hypotenuse of a right triangle? Is the side that is directly opposite the right angle. So by that, then we can say that the side WY squared will be equal to 4 squared plus 3 squared, because those are the other two sides, right? So WY squared will be equal to 16 plus 9, which will be equal to 25. All right. So we want the length WY and not WY squared. What do? I'm sure you tell me we take the square root. So the square root of the length WY all squared should be equal to square root of 25, because we are balancing. So whatever we do to the left, we do to the right. Square root cancel the square, or the square cancel the square root. So we're left with the length WY to be equal to 5 centimeters. Right, so that gives us this side to be 5 centimeters. Then that will also help us to find this side now. And again, this triangle is also a right triangle, just as given us in the question. So this side that is opposite the right angle is the hypotenuse of the triangle. So you are doing similar thing. The length of the side WX squared will be equal to 5 squared plus 12 squared, because they are the other two sides of this right triangle WYX. So the square of the line WX will be equal to 25 plus 144, and this will give us 169. So then again, the length of the side WX will be the square root of 169, which will give us 13 centimeters. So now the perimeter will be equal to 4 plus 13 plus 12 plus 3, and that will give us this 17, 29 and 32. So that will be equal to 32 centimeters, and that is option B. I hope this has been of help to you. If yes, then kindly consider subscribing to this channel for more videos. Till we meet again in my study room. Bye bye. Thank you.